Making $10,000 a month might sound impossible, but what if I told you in 2025, with the right strategy, it's more achievable than ever? Whether you're an inspiring entrepreneur or someone tired of that 9-to-5 grind, I'm going to teach you the fastest, most effective way to hit $10,000 a month based on real strategies that work for me. Stick around because this can be a game changer you've been waiting for. Hey everyone, I'm Sylus, founder of 26 King Wavy Merch, where I make natural hair care products for men and women. My brand grew from a passion to a thriving e-commerce business, generating over $1 million in sales and consistent $100,000 months. But it all started with a single milestone, making $10,000 a month. Check it out, y'all. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps to reach $10,000 a month, even if you're starting at zero. Now, you already know something about my channel. These aren't generic tips. These are proven strategies that worked for me and they can work for you too. Now, let's dive in. The first step to hitting $10,000 a month is choosing the right niche. Not all markets are created equal and some are far more lucrative than others. What I learned, a profitable niche solves a specific problem for a specific audience. For example, with 26 King Wavy, I focused on the hair care needs of people looking to achieve the perfect 360 waves. That level of focus made it easier to stand out in a crowded market. Here's an actionable tip. Research trending niches using tools like Google Trends, TikTok hashtags, or Shopify's trending product report. Look for markets with passionate audiences willing to spend money. Think about this. Are you solving a real problem for a real audience? If not, at $10,000 thing I was talking about earlier a month, it's going to be out of reach, or at least it'll feel that way. Step 2, launch with a simple high margin product. Next, you need a product that's simple to market and has solid profit margins. Now, this is what I did. I started with a hero product, our signature butter moisturizer. It was easy to explain, highly effective, and solved a specific pain point for my audience. By focusing on one product, I was able to maximize marketing efforts and profitability. Here's a pro tip. Aim for products with at least 3x markup. For example, if your product costs $10 to make, sell it for at least $30. Ask yourself, is your product simple enough to sell in a 30-second pitch? If not, it's time to refine. Step 3, build a Shopify store that converts. Now that you have your niche and product, it's time to create a Shopify store that actually convert visitors into buyers. Key lesson here, keep it clean and professional. Avoid clutter and focus on strong visuals and clear calls to action. Use high quality images, engage in product descriptions, and trust building elements like reviews and testimony. Here's an actionable tip you can take. Invest in a good Shopify theme and use apps like Klaviyo for email marketing and Opt-in Monster to capture leads. Here's the truth. A good product just won't sell itself. Your store needs to convince visitors to buy. Are you putting your best foot forward? Step 4, master paid ads for quick results. Now, if you want to scale fast, organic traffic alone just won't cut it. Paid ads is the fastest way to drive target traffic to your store. Now, what worked for me? I started with Facebook and Instagram ads, targeting specific demographics who cared about hair care and grooming. So, if y'all could take a guess, a wild guess below, who was my target audience? I tested multiple ad creatives, headlines, and audiences until I found that winning combination. Here's an actionable tip. Start with the small budget, like $10 to $20 a day, and gradually scale as you see results. Focus on retargeting ads to recapture visitors who didn't buy the first time. Think about this. If you're not investing in ads, how would your audience even know that your brand even exists? Step 5, create content that builds trust and authority. People buy from brands they trust. Content marketing is a powerful way to establish that trust while driving traffic to your store. And here's what I did. I created educational and engaging content around hair care tips and wave techniques. This not only showcased my expertise, but also introduced people to my products naturally. Here's an actionable tip. Use platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram to share tips, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content. Repurpose the content across multiple platforms to maximize reach. Here's a question. Are you giving your audience a reason to trust you? If not, start creating content today. Step 6, automate and optimize your operation. To hit $10,000 a month consistently, you need systems that save time and improve efficiency. Now, what worked for me? Automating customer support with tools like ChatGPT. And I use Shopify apps to streamline inventory management and order fulfillment. Here's a pro tip. Set up email flows for welcome messages, abandoned cart recovery, and post-purchase upsells. These automations generate revenue while you sleep at night. Scaling isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. What can you automate today to free up your time? Y'all let me know which of these steps resonates with you the most. Drop it in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you're already working on that 10K journey, share your progress so we can all celebrate together. As a bonus, here's a final tip. Focus on repeat customers. It's easier and cheaper to sell to an existing customer than to find a new one. Create loyalty programs, offer discounts for repeat purchases, and follow up with a personalized email campaign. Now, if you want to dive deeper into customer retention strategies, let me know in the comments and I'll create a full video on it. So let's quickly recap for all my folks that's watching this video from beginning to end, man. Hey, much love. I appreciate y'all. Number 1, pick a profitable niche. Number 2, launch with a simple, high margin product. Number 3, build a Shopify store that converts. Number 4, master paid ads, quick results. Number 5, create content that builds trust. And lastly, number 6, automate and optimize your operations. Remember, 10K a month isn't just a dream. It's a goal you can achieve with the right strategy. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you never miss future tips. And hey, share this video with someone that's looking to start their journey to 10K a month.